of Microorganism Friend and Foe, Chapter 2 of Class 8. Now, in previous part, I have explained about what are the different uses of microorganism, okay, what is vaccine and everything. Now I am explaining what is harmful microbes. Like the first one, we are in COVID-19 pandemic and we are aware that is what is the harmful effect of this coronavirus. Okay, so that way I am explaining what are the different harmful effects. First I will explain about the harmful effect in human. Second I will explain in animals other than mammals or human, and third in plant also. Okay, so first is in humans. Okay, so before that I want to explain the harmful microorganisms which causes disease in human being, animal or plant are termed as pathogen. Okay, so what is the term? That is pathogens. The one which is causing disease, which are harmful to us, animals and plants, that is termed as pathogens. Okay, so disease causing microorganism, if I see humans. Okay, so now the disease that can spread from infected person to a healthy person, that is termed as communicable disease. Like we are now having the COVID-19 pandemic. So it is a infectious disease spreading from an infected person to healthy person. So we are advised to wear masks. We are supposed to wash our hand after every 20 minutes with for 20 seconds, isn't? We should not have a physical contact and everything. Okay, so that is a communicable disease. You can understand with the present scenario what is communicable disease. Common cold is also a communicable disease. If a person is having common cold, he is sneezing, so droplets are going to the neighboring person and they are also getting infection. Okay, so they are caused by pathogens, the diseases, communicable diseases, and they are spread with the help of air, water or food. Okay, suppose a person is having some infection, common cold, etc. He is sneezing, droplets, they are mixing with the air. If someone is inhaling that air, so the infection is going to the other person. With the help of contaminated food, if food is with the help of contaminated food, if food is affected by microbes, okay, some toxins are produced by microbes that I am consuming, so I will fall sick. With contaminated water, especially it happens in rainy season. Okay, so water gets contaminated, so if a person is having that sort of water, drinking water, so they are having cholera, etc. Okay, stomach ailment. Now, it is happening with the help of physical contact also, as is the COVID-19. If a person is having physical contact, suppose a person sneezes, okay, and with the help of their hand, and then he shook hand with the other person, so that virus is transmitted from infected to a healthy person. So that is a physical contact. Okay, then it is transmitted with the help of insect and animals also. Like in rainy season you often heard about malaria, etc. That is transferred with the help of female Anopheles mosquito. Okay, so they are carrying this plasmodium to a healthy person, that is mixed with their blood, and they are causing malarial fever. Or the second example, we can take example of rabies. Okay, some when dog bites, so these rabies is transferred from dog to that person and they are having rabies disease. Clear that much? Now I am proceeding towards the disease that is found in animals. So first one is anthrax. Anthrax is caused due to bacteria. We have seen in class 7, third chapter, isn't? Where there were sheep, etc., the hair was removed, and the person who is dealing with the hair of the sheep, they are having Shorter's disease. So that is because of this anthrax bacteria. Okay, the disease is caused by one bacteria, anthrax. Second is foot and mouth disease in animal. That is caused because of virus. Okay, ringworm. Sometimes you have seen dogs, their skin is very discolored, short of. Okay, so that is because of ringworm. That is fungi. Clear? I have explained about different categories of microorganisms. So anthrax is caused due to bacteria, foot and mouth disease is caused due to virus, and ringworm is caused due to fungi. Okay, now they are affecting plants also. So citrus cankerine is caused due to bacteria, rust of wheat due to fungi, and yellow vein mosaic of bhindi or okra, that is because of virus. Okay student, I hope that much is clear to you.